Hello everyone, I'm Nikita, Product Manager at Fogwing Industrial Cloud. Today, I'm here along with Prasad, our Customer Success Specialist, to introduce you all to some of the game-changing features that we have introduced in our Fogwing Asset Plus Smart CMMS. In this latest release, we have introduced a new feature that will allow you to capture evidence during various stages of maintenance work, starting from the customer request raised from various customers to the work order execution by your maintenance engineers. Proof of maintenance can be easily documented and referred for future requirements. I'll now quickly hand it over to Prasad to give you all a quick demo of the same. Over to you, Prasad.
Thank you, Nikita. Hello, everyone. My name is Prasad, and I'm part of customer success team. And today I'm going to show you the feature Nikita was talking about. So let me quickly share my screen and show you the feature that we have added in the latest version of Fogwing Asset Plus CMMS. So in the latest version, we have added the uh, uh, evidence capturing feature in the in different modules of Asset Plus. So it helps in capturing the proof of maintenance for the maintenance manager, supervisors, and engineers in different workflow of their work. So to make it understand in easier terms, I'm going to create a work order to show you exactly the flow and where we have implemented this evidence capturing feature. So we'll start with the customer portal here. So if in your organization, if you have a production team, operators or the internal or external customers who wants to create a maintenance request for a particular asset, then from here they can create a particular MRO request here. So if we create it here, if we give the MRO code here, if we choose the asset here, um, we select the target date here, and then we give some description here. And in the files section now, you can add photos of the fault which has been occurred or which has been observed by the customer. So we will quickly just add the uh, of the leakage photo here in the compressor, so that when the MRO request is created, these photos will be there into the work order. So now we will quickly submit this request. Okay. Now, as the request is submitted here, so this request will be created into the system, and we will see that request here in the MRO request. So as you can see, the compressor leak request is created. Now the maintenance manager would be able to create or generate a work order. Before that, we will just view the files, and from here the maintenance manager can view those leakage that is happening. So we will generate a work order so that that an engineer can work on this particular work order. So right now the engineer can see this particular work order which has been assigned to them. So we will quickly log in from the engineer's login here, and we will go to the execute work order. So as you can see here, he can able to see that proof of maintenance that is created by the customer team here. So now he can work on this particular request, and he can add some of the images from his side. So for example, if we add this image and give some description here that leakage is found here. So now as we submit this request, so this will be visible to the maintenance manager here, so that they can view, or they can also, while completing the work order, they can simply just uh, add that, and the leakage has been fixed. So they can also add that image also here. So once they add that image will be visible here. As you can see that that the workflow and the proof of evidence or the proof of maintenance will be there within this particular work order. So now, as we have completed it, we will move back to the maintenance manager's login here, and we are going to see that completed work order here. So as you can see, the work order is completed, and when the maintenance manager views the work order, he will be able to see all the work which has been done by the engineer, and he can also see the images which has been attached by them, so that they can get an idea about the leakage which has been done for this particular asset. So this is the new feature that is added, which helps the maintenance team overall to have uh, an evidence or a proof of maintenance within their workflow. Uh, Over to you, Nikita.
Thank you, Prasad. That was very informative. Try out these new features today and see how they can streamline your maintenance process. Also, stay tuned as we will be coming with much more exciting features in our next release. Thank you.